Visiting Coron, Palawan is like stepping into a tropical paradise. Here are compelling reasons to go. 1. Stunning lagoons and lakes. Kayangan Lake and Barracuda Lake are famous for their crystal clear waters and dramatic limestone cliffs. 2. World-class wreck diving. Coron Bay is home to sunken Japanese warships from World War II, making it one of the best wreck diving spots in the world. 3. Pristine beaches. White sand beaches like Banul and Malkapuya Island offer perfect spots for relaxation and island hopping. 4. Rich marine life. The coral reefs are vibrant and teeming with colorful fish, ideal for snorkeling and diving. 5. Peaceful island vibe. Unlike more tourist-heavy destinations, Coron retains a laid-back, rustic charm. 6. Affordable adventure. Compared to other tropical locations, Coron offers stunning nature and experiences at a lower cost.